Commissioner Pat Sekretary Ketenan Urban Affair Meghalaya, Dr. Vijay Kumar IAS, loong bagi bus elektrik kibalas dang tamay hapo ka PM eBus Seva Skhim kintarikam hakarukom kabaperlut na kibus Paidbah kibarim kibalaya Shilo. Habakran hakajing sedang yaki eBus hatarak har guest house hakajigadan lang umintri rang ba berkihe Ketenan Urban Affair Dr. Vijay Kumar loong bawat lagi beriu kitip begini ki bus kilong ki elektrik ki day bet kamay riang pergi kam tari kam bah Henry ka jingkala ka bakham kongsan kalong hakurukon pinyat ya ka jikshakri.
Coming down should be a little faster. I think.
Might be the wheelchair would be good, no?
Has to be there at the stop every 15 minutes. If the bus is not reaching there at the stop, the money will be deducted from their payment. So here the operator is paid by the authority, which is in this case MUDA, and of course the money is coming partly from state government and partly from government of India. In fact, majority of the money is coming from the state government, but a substantial percentage is coming from government of India under the PM eBus Seva scheme. So therefore there is an incentive for the operator to run the buses more as a public service than as a way to make money. So this is the big change, and of course this change has been brought in by government of India. So in this model, so now globally this is the model, so that the bus operators run the buses as a public service, as a utility that is available for the public. So the bus will come, whether there is all of us who have traveled to, even many of Indian cities have this now regularity of buses abroad. So where even if there's one passenger, two passenger, the bus comes and the bus goes on time. It's not that the bus is waiting for more passengers and all that method. So that is the big transition that this system is going to have. And again, we have already piloted this system through the new diesel buses which we launched. We got a fleet of 30 diesel buses also. Out of them, 15 of them have been on the road for the last almost 3 to 4 months. And I'm very happy to report, sir, because all these buses, the diesel buses also are on they're all GPS tagged and all the tickets are given online. We have created employment of, with just 15 buses, we have created employment of close to 50 people. So all are our local boys and girls who operate these buses. And we also have a dashboard where every day, every second, we see how many people are using the service. So when we started the diesel buses, those 15 buses on the route from IIM, from Meagrims basically to Upper Shillong, we started off with 300 people using those buses every day. As of yesterday, the average is 3,000. 3,000 people are using this service every day, and we have data, we know which routes, etc., etc. So similarly, when we run these buses, we have identified 4 major routes in the city, so the buses will crisscross, and in 6 months time our goal is to have a fleet of 150 buses, a combination of diesel and electric. So these buses will run regularly, they will be available on time, and we expect at least 60,000 people in the city on a day-to-day basis, which means most of the people who are commuting around to be able to use this service, and obviously this will, the level of efficiency that it can bring in, and of course we all know these are very comfortable buses. They also have air conditioning, both the diesel buses and the electric buses. So I think this is our humble effort to make life better for the people of Shillong, especially people who are commuting from the peripheral areas to the core of the city. So they have to pay a huge amount of money, as you know, waiting for taxis, both wasting time, because time is also money, and also not traveling comfortably. So I think a number of problems are going to be solved by this, and I'm very happy to be standing here, and I really thank our Honorable Chief Minister for setting this goal for us to improve mobility in the city, to have a better system. So I think that system we have already started, and now the launch of the buses today, electric buses today, marks a very, very important milestone in this journey. I thank everyone, and I encourage all of you to share these